Good morning, Junior 4. Today we are going to get how to find the unknown dimension of a rectangle given its perimeter. This time he will give me the perimeter and he wants one of the sides of the rectangle. So how can we get the unknown side while he is giving me the perimeter? First of all, I will use this rule or this formula for the perimeter. I know that we have 3 formulas for the perimeter, but I will use this one to get the unknown side. So here, if he gives me the perimeter and he wants the length, it's unknown, and he gives me the width. Now, what should I do? I will write the perimeter as it is, and I will move the 2 to the other side. When it crosses the equal, so it will be divided 2. And I will move the width to the other side, so I will move it with minus width, and I put this in a bracket. So this rule when the length is missing. Okay, the other one, when the width is missing, I will move the 2 to the other side, so I will write the perimeter, move the 2 to the other side, it will be divided 2, and I will move the length to the other side, it will be minus the length. So here the length equal is perimeter divided 2 minus width, while the width is perimeter divided 2 minus the length. These rules, you have to study it well. This example is done for us, okay? And go to page 53. Here, find the unknown side length. I have here x units and here 5 units. This x units is for the length, so I will write the rule of the length. Length equal perimeter divided 2 minus the width equal the length is x. The perimeter is here, yes, it's 26 divided 2. Minus up, minus down. Width, I will cross the width and write 5. Again, x equal 26 divided 2. Here, I will take the 26 and I will decompose it to 20 and 6. So 20 divided 2 equals what? I have to say half of the 20 is what? It's 10. 6 divided 2 equals what? Half of the 6 is 3. Or I can say what times 2 gives me 6 from the timetable. So at the end, 26 divided 2 equals 13. So here I will write it 26 divided 2, 13. Did I finish? No. I have here minus 5 equal, so the x, which is the length, equals what at the end is 8 units. Number 2, I have here 10 centimeter and here x. The perimeter is 32 centimeter. The x or the side that it is unknown is the width. So I will write the formula for the width. Width equal perimeter divided 2 minus the length equal. Here the width is x. I will write it. Perimeter is 32. Divided up, divided down, 2 in a bracket, minus L. Now x equal 32 divided 2. I will take the 32, I will decompose it to 30 and 2. Divided 2, divided 2. Half of the 30 is 15. 2 divided 2, half of the 2 is 1. Or what times 2 gives me 2 is 1. So at the end, 32 divided 2 equals 16. So I will write it 32 divided 2, here is 16. Here, sorry, I wrote it as it is, but I have to write 10. 16 minus 10, so 16 minus 10 is 6. 6 what? 6 centimeters. So the width will be 6 centimeters. Question number 3. Sulaiman works on a farm. The fence for the goats fell down, and his uncle asked Sulaiman to get more wire to make a new fence. He was told that the width of the fence is 25. So now I have the width, and that he needs to get 110 meters of the wire to go around the entire space, to move around the entire space. What is the length of the missing side? So it's giving me all of the length around the entire space and the width only. So the length is missing. So I will get length equals perimeter divided 2 minus the width. Here the perimeter is 110 divided 2 minus the width is 25. Now 110 divided 2, I have here 100. I will decompose the 110 to 110. 100 divided 2 and 10 divided 2. 100 divided 2, half of the 100 is 50. 10 divided 2 equals 5, or half of the 10 equals 5. So at the end, 110 divided 2 equals 55. So here 110 divided 2, 55 minus 25. So the length will be equals 30. 30 what? 30 meters. And that's it. Thank you, Junior 4.